Hello, welcome all. I am going to discuss about laughter therapy. Laughter therapy, when you take part in laughter workshop, you get a release of endorphins, giving you a feel good and the whole body relax and stress and tension is reduced. And what do we laugh at? Laughter is the best medicine. It is true, laughter is a strong medicine and the people together in ways that trigger healthy physical and emotional changes in the body. And laughter strengthens your immune system, boost mood, diminish pain and protect you from the damaging effects of stress and reduces stress hormone levels. Reduction in stress hormones such as cortisol and epinephrine to reduce stress level. How do epinephrine or cortisol reduce the stress level? Epinephrine circulates through the body. It brings on a number of physiological changes and the heart beats faster than normal and pushing blood to the muscles, heart and other vital organs. Then pulse rate and blood pressure goes up and the person undergoing these changes also starts to breathe more rapidly. And next is calories. In calories, 10 to 15 minutes of laughter, it burns the 50 calories. Laughter is also an important role play in blood sugar level. In one study which select the 19 people with diabetes and look at the effect of laughter on blood sugar level. It means to reduce the blood sugar level. How the blood sugar level reduces with the stress level or reduces the blood sugar level with laughter therapy. When your blood sugar level gets too high, it is known as hyperglycemia or high blood glucose, and the quickest way to reduce it is to take fast acting insulin, like exercising in another fast an effective way to low blood sugar. In some cases you should go to the hospital instead of handling it at home. Pain relief relieves pain, brain release endorphins, happy juice or good chemicals. It relieves the pain and promote an overall sense of well-being. How to endorphins reduces the pain relief. And laughter enhances your intake of oxygen rich air and it stimulates your heart, lungs and muscles and increases the endorphins that are released by your brain and activate and relieve your stress response. Laughter is the best way to conceal the pain and also improves cardiac health. Laughter is a great cardio workout. It especially for those who are incapable of doing other physical activity due to injury or illness. It gets our heart pumping and burns a similar amount of calories per hour as walking at a slow to moderate pace and so laugh your heart into health. How to cardiac health is improve uh, with laughter therapy. When you laugh, your heart rate increase and you take many deep breaths. It means that more oxygenated blood is circulated through your body and improving your vascular function, and to prevent the heart diseases, and also improved vascular function and circulation can also help reduce your risk of a heart disease diagnosis. Now next one is boost T cells. T cells are specialized immune system cells and just waiting in your body for activation. When you laugh, you activate the T cells that immediately begins to help you fight off sickness, and you feel a cold coming on and your illness prevention plan. And laughter helps boost our immune system by increasing the production of anti-infection antibodies and T cells in the blood and help protect us from infection. When you laugh, your brain releases endorphins and reduces the stress hormones such as cortisol, reduces the blood pressure and increase circulation. Immune response. Laughter also boosts the number of antibodies producing cells and it enhances the activation of T cells and leading to a stronger immune system. Increase blood flow. Laughter causes the dilation of inner lining of blood vessels, the endothelium, and increase blood flow. In increased blood flow, endorphins promotes a sense of well-being and can even release pain. Laughter protects the heart, and also laughter improves the function of blood vessels and increase the blood flow, which can help protect you against a heart attack and other cardiovascular problems. And next one is protect heart. Laughter can help prevent heart diseases by increasing the blood flow and also improve the function of blood vessels, and reduces the infection. It defends against the respiratory infections, thus reducing the frequency of cold. It means laughter brightens the soul and removes the cold. Laughing lower the blood pressure also. It reduces the blood pressure and also reduce their risk of strokes and heart attacks. And laugh fires up and then cool down your stress response, and it can increase and then decrease your heart rate and blood pressure. Brain stimulation. It stimulates both sides of the brain, thereby it improves the memory and learning, and also humor during interaction lead to increase the test scores. Laughter can stimulate many organs, and laughter enhances your intake of oxygen rich air, and it stimulates your heart, lungs, and muscles, and also increase the endorphins and that are released by your brain and activate and relieve your stress response. Benefits of laughter. It improves alertness and creativity and memory enhancing. Emotional benefits. Emotional benefits, there are a diminish or reduces the anxiety or fear and improve overall mood and happy person and adding joy to one's life. And also social benefits like strengthening relationship, improving and reducing the conflicts and making oneself more attractive to others. And yes, disadvantage of the laughter therapy. Laughing can be good for the heart, but sometimes it has actually caused a stroke or heart attack. After abdominal surgery, it is also advised for the patient not to laugh, as it could rip the stitches. And in pregnant women should also avoid the laughter therapy until some conclusive data regarding the safety is available. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem, you can comment. So we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Then like and subscribe.